Hello guys, welcome back to The Hunt for Life. This is episode 14. The last video was the last day of the Lux Galaxy. Let's move on. So right now I'm saying goodbye. So right now I'm saying goodbye to the Lux Galaxy. Goodbye, Lux Galaxy. Also, I see a bright yellow object. It's Arceus Galaxy. Let's go check it out. Its brightness is about, hold on. It's about 2 quadrillion times brighter than the sun. Let me check the Galaxy 3C303. This is the Arceus Galaxy. This is episode 14 of the Hunt for Life. Okay, so let's go find some life in the Arceus Galaxy. But this galaxy is super bright, so it can be seen. Hold on. It can be seen. Yeah, this galaxy can be seen 3 billion light years away. Oh, wait, what? A new galaxy? It's just a dwarf galaxy. This is probably the brightest. This is probably the brightest galaxy I've seen. Hold on. Let me search out what is the brightest galaxy. What is the brightest galaxy in the universe? The brightest galaxy is WISE J2246075.57/052635.0. It's also named Extreme Luminous Infrared Galaxy, or ELIRG. So this galaxy, I mean, the star is a red dwarf. The first planet, it looks like Coload 7b, but this planet's mass is almost 3 times that of Earth. Because of the extreme mass, a lot of volcanoes erupt on this planet. Okay, I just turned on realistic lighting, and now that is wicked cool. I might do this with my Scratch projects. Anyways, let's just go to the planet with life. Also, planet number 2 is the smallest, with a radius of 3,061 kilometers. So this is what the planet looks like. But the atmospheric pressure is 454 times that of Earth, which is insane. It can instantly crush you to death. But due to the extreme pressure, its temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's in a very cold zone, and its and its moon's average temperature is minus 295 degrees Fahrenheit. It has 91% of oxygen, 8% of 91% of nitrogen, 8% of oxygen, and very little carbon dioxide. This might be insane. Here is the next planet. It's a super Earth and has an atmospheric pressure of 145 times. But in space it looks very thin, or no atmosphere at all. But you can see the clouds. Anyways, its average radius is 10,915 kilometers, or 1.7 Earths. Its mass is 7 times that of Earth. Its orbital period is 348 days, which is about... Hold on, let me think. At least 17 days shorter than a year. Anyways, let's check the planet's surface. Also, I'm doing a full-length the Arceus Galaxy episodes. The Arceus Galaxy triarchally will last from episode 14 to episode 26. Episode 26 is the final episode of season 1, and there will be a season 2. Here, this is what the planet looks like on the surface. Hold on. Let me check. Here is the next system. It has 3 giant gas giants. The first one is the largest. The second one is the second largest, and the third one is the third largest. But it looks black in Magneto. Anyways, let's continue. Yeah, it shines purple light in space. It only has one major moon, or one big moon. This is what the planet looks like on the surface. Also, you can see the gas giant from here. Hold on. Oh, wait. Also, I can see the third gas giant from here. But when I look at that, it looks like the star is born. That's because of the clouds from the planet. Let's try 200 light years. So I think in next month it's gonna be the 7th. This month it's gonna be the 7th month anniversary that the first episode of The Hunt for Life came out. Okay, so every season it's gonna last 26 episodes. Hold on, let me check. So every second is 15.20 times 208. So So one episode is 15 minutes and 20 seconds long. So I multiplied it by 208, and it equals to 2.1 days. But sometimes I'm not gonna post daily. That's because I have busy stuff to do, and even school. Hold on. Anyways, this is what the planet looks like on the surface. Also, I landed too fast, and now I bounced off my camera and then into the ocean. Here's the next planet. Also, last month it's been 6. Also, last month it's been 6 months since my first The Hunt for Life episode came out, and it started with Earth. When I released my first Universe Sandbox video, I was talking to myself because I was a fan of BFDI. Stop. Okay. Let's not talk about BFDI right now. Oh, it has red grass, which that kind of looks like blood. Wait, what? My camera zoomed in for a sec. Also, this planet orbit is 411 years. Wow. This planet looks like Earth, but it has no grass because of the atmospheric pressure, which is 28 pounds, 28 times that of Earth. Kind of looks like a desert planet. Oh, it is. It's in a binary system. So the A-type star planet is not that much. Oh wow, this is nice music. Wait. Let me check. Let me speed up time. Let's check the planet's rotation. Oh, it's tilted the right way. On Friday, I'm going to make stuff. I like the music. It really gives the beat. The beat! Sorry. Here's the next system. I really like how the planet looks a lot like Earth. But I know this planet's atmospheric pressure is 3 times, which is just fine. This moon is just like Europa again, with rifts and cracks right there from the water pressure. Okay, so I gotta leave though. I gotta leave off. This is to be continued on this planet. Right here. I'll see you in episode 15. Bye, guys.